IBM's rolling workforce reductions have released experienced cloud architects, Linux engineers, OpenShift specialists, and enterprise consultants into the US job market. But many of these professionals are not staying available for long. According to the source analysis behind this video, some displaced IBM and Red Hat candidates are receiving multiple offers within weeks, often from mid-market companies that need enterprise-level infrastructure experience but cannot normally recruit it. This is not one isolated layoff announcement. The article describes a series of reductions beginning in late 2024 and continuing through 2025 and 2026. Early waves reportedly affected legacy infrastructure, administration, consulting, sales, marketing, and IBM's Cloud Classic organization. Then came reported reductions within Red Hat engineering in April 2026, affecting specialists connected to technologies such as OpenShift, QEMU, libvirt, virtualization, and bare metal cloud infrastructure. Because IBM has not published one consolidated total, estimates vary. The more important point for hiring teams is the type of experience entering the market. The Red Hat portion of this talent pool may be the most strategically important. These are not simply engineers who completed a Kubernetes certification. Some have worked on the infrastructure underneath modern cloud platforms, including virtualization, container orchestration, live migration, multi-tenant systems, access controls, and production reliability. An OpenShift engineer may already understand Kubernetes at enterprise scale. A QEMU or libvirt contributor may possess virtualization knowledge that most companies do not even have the internal expertise to interview for properly. For organizations building regulated, secure, or highly available platforms, that depth can eliminate months of ramp-up time. The surprising part is where these candidates are landing. Some will join major cloud providers, but the source reports significant movement into mid-market software companies, managed service providers, regional cloud consultancies, healthcare organizations, financial services firms, and government contractors. The match makes sense. A growing SaaS company gains an architect who has operated enterprise infrastructure. An MSP gains a consultant who already knows how to scope migrations, manage client expectations, and deliver against formal statements of work. Healthcare and financial services employers gain professionals familiar with audit trails, role-based access, data residency, and compliance-sensitive environments. Candidates with active government clearances may move even faster. Many employers are missing these candidates because their hiring systems search for the wrong words. A resume may say OpenShift instead of Kubernetes, IBM Cloud Private instead of Managed Kubernetes, Instana instead of Datadog or New Relic, Turbonomic instead of Cloud Cost Optimization, Ansible instead of Terraform. The technologies are not identical, but the underlying capabilities can transfer quickly. When a recruiter filters only for AWS, Azure, Terraform, or a specific monitoring platform, an experienced IBM engineer may be rejected before a hiring manager ever sees the resume. The solution is to search for transferable systems knowledge, not just exact product names. The article also suggests that compensation expectations are more practical than many hiring teams assume. IBM compensation is generally described as base salary heavy, meaning the gap between an IBM package and a mid-market offer may be narrower than the equity-driven gap often seen after layoffs at major consumer technology companies. Some candidates may accept a modest base adjustment in exchange for stability, remote flexibility, equity, a shorter commute, or broader ownership. But that does not mean employers should wait for prices to fall. Specialists with deep OpenShift experience, enterprise client leadership, regulatory knowledge, or active security clearances may be off the market within a matter of weeks. Hiring leaders can take 3 immediate steps. First, expand searches to include OpenShift, RHEL, Ansible, IBM Cloud, Cloud Pak, Instana, Turbonomic, QEMU, and libvirt. Second, configure applicant tracking systems to recognize related technologies instead of relying on exact keyword matches. Third, assess adaptability directly. Ask candidates about the smallest team they have supported, what they personally owned from beginning to end, and how they operated without the resources of a large enterprise. That will reveal whether someone can translate deep enterprise experience into a faster, leaner organization. The IBM and Red Hat talent window will not remain open indefinitely. For employers that need cloud infrastructure, enterprise Linux, platform engineering, or technical consulting experience, this may be the moment to find capabilities that are normally difficult to recruit. Do not let unfamiliar product names hide highly transferable talent.